want to go from a boring house to a... No, no, no. That's boring. Let's rewind.
Wind it howls, the moon is high, the spirits crawl across the sky. Whispers call from out the trees, they beckon you with ghostly pleas. The fog rolls in so cold and thick, the clock strikes 12, the air grows quick. Footsteps echo down the lane, do you hear it? The ghostly train. Shadows in the night, they creep, they crawl. Monsters in the dark, you hear them call. Run if you dare, there's nowhere to hide. The darkness knows your name tonight. Ooh, it's coming. Ooh, it's near.
Woo! The power button works. Okay, so these lights here are by DeckTok, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to unbox them. We're going to see how bright these things are and what kind of quality they are, and then I'm going to put them up on the house. All right, and for disclaimer, DeckTok did send these out to me to do a review on these, and 100% I thank you, DeckTok. They don't get to see this video before it goes out. It's my thoughts only, but man, so far, I'm going to tell you right now, they're going to give Govee a run for their money. Look how bright these things are. These things are literally lighting everything up right here. Let's go to red. Ooh, yeah. Get ready for Halloween, right? Got some green going on, some blue, your warm white, and your cool white. Oh man, I'm so excited to get these on the house. Oh, I'm so excited. I suggest anyone who buys any type of lights like this, before you take everything all apart and go outside and get it all hooked up, go ahead and plug them in and make sure they work. So ready to get them installed outside. All right, so again, we're installing the DeckTok Permanent Outdoor Lights. All right, so now we're at a not so boring house. Look at this. I mean, these things are bright and beautiful. A flower harbor, lotus flower, which is nice. You know, it's a very nice subtle, I believe. It's very subtle. We got Iceland blue, willows, hardy, trend, sports. Let's go to festival. So you got Christmas, Valentine's. Okay, so say some of those that you really don't like, you can actually customize them yourself as well. So let's go back to festival. I'm going to go up to Christmas. So while I'm here on Christmas, if you notice, there's a little heart. So you can save it, and right next to it, you have three little dots. So when you click those three little dots, you have what effect you want, and of course the speed. So let me just play with the speed real quick. Let me go ahead and go up to 100% on that speed, and I'm going to preview it. Now look how fast those lights are going. Them things are going super fast right now. Go ahead and go back to 40%. Go ahead and hit preview. Don't save until you're ready to save. So it slows it down a lot. Now, if you look at your dynamic effect, you can click it and look at all these right here you can do now. So say float down. Go ahead and hit preview. And you can see how it does. And what they're going to do, they're going to float down a certain direction as they're switching. And then, of course, you can change the speed of whatever you're doing and see how fast it is. And if you notice, look over to the right, you can see, there it goes. All right, let me change the ISO of my camera real quick so you can really visualize whatever I'm seeing right here. Again, go to chase. You got so many over here. You can do stack, preview. Now, if you like this and you like the speed, you like what it is and how it's doing it, then you can save that as a preset. So let's go to Flutter, preview. There's some flutter. I don't like that at 100%. So let me go ahead and bring that down to about 35%. No, a little bit faster than that. Let's go to 50, somewhere around 50 mark. It's a little faster. So like that's not too bad right there. I do like that. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the cancel button, go back over to festival, go to Valentine's, hit Christmas, and look, we're still sitting right here at the Christmas one, but it's not affected. But once we're done, again, we can sit there and we can hit that save button or that heart button where we know that it's always there and it'll be in our DIYs. So here's your DIY right here. So you can click to create or say, Christmas, for instance, let's go ahead and hit those three little lines. Let's say I want to go ahead and make it a spark and set it to 70%. Go ahead and I'm going to save it as a preset. And then I'm going to say Christmas 2. Hit confirm. Now, for Christmas, I can heart it or it's in my DIY or your collection. See, so in collection is where the heart is, and then it's going to also be underneath DIY. So underneath collection, I can go ahead and take the heart off. But yeah, so now say you don't want color. So like right now, we're just here in September. We're not at Halloween just yet, so I don't want them on that. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is at the bottom, you have the little light bulb button there, and then you can change these to whatever color you want and how bright. So here's let me go all the way to 1%. That is 1%. And the camera is showing it just a little bit brighter, but they are still pretty bright. I mean, this right here is a safety mechanism for your house. You always have light on your house to see what's going on. Again, let me go to 100%. That is 100%. And I am, temperatures at 41. There's temperature at cool. That's pretty bright. That is like I like that. That is really nice. Or we want to go completely warm. There's your warm right there. If you notice, you see the light bulbs, the little bitty dots all around the screen. You can actually change individual colors. So you can edit each one of these and make it all your own and then scroll down to every single light bulb that you have on your strand, which is really, really cool. Also at the bottom, you have of course, the palettes, your scenes that you have right here that I showed, and then music. You can do these by local music, set it up. You can have your timer, which I need to set up my timer because I want these to come on right now, come on about 7:30ish p.m. and go off at 7:30 a.m. I mean, there's no other house around here that even compares to what these lights look like right now. So what did y'all think of them? I think that they are friggin' awesome. They're very bright. I think they're very customizable. I think that they're worth the money, which we're going to get into here in just a sec. I think that they will hold their own against Govee 100%. So for their 100 foot, they're on Amazon. They're $259, normally $319. If you go to their website, you can actually get them even cheaper though. They're $189 on their website. If they give me any discount codes, I will leave those down in the description down below. Both places you can get them at. So you have 100 foot. So they also have the 50 foot. So the 50 foot is only $109. They also have on their website, they have these mushroom lights and the pathway lights on their website. I really want them. That way I try to stick with the complete same ecosystem. I love sticking with ecosystems. But yeah, 100% worth your hard-earned money, especially here in 2025. At the end of 2025, where did it go? I do not know. Go ahead and check out right here. See if these are worth your hard-earned money here at the end of 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe.